Are you considering buying an older DSLR or even using your smartphone to get into the YouTube game? If you are, this is the right video for you. Stay tuned. In today's video, I will be demonstrating some of the capabilities using a 10 or even a 15-year-old DSLR camera, showing you how it actually compares up against a newer iPhone. So you now have an older camera and you're ready to upload onto YouTube. Not so fast. First thing you need to do is get accessory number one, is a microphone. The microphone of my choice is the Boya BY-MM1. Usually it's out of frame, but for today it will be in frame. And this is connected onto my Nikon D3200. I also have a Nikon D3100. When you buy a older DSLR, you're going to get a kit lens. Now the kit lens is often the cheapest lens you can possibly get. It's not the sharpest, it's not the best, but it will be good enough to get you into the game. My lens of choice, 35mm prime lens. So the prime lens is accessory number 2, which I'm shooting on right now. So I'm going to do a quick video demonstration, putting up the Nikon D3200 with a prime lens up against you, which is my iPhone standard lens. That's the iPhone SE 2020. Okay, and now this is the capabilities of a kit lens. So you kit lens, that is a standard Nikon 18 to 55mm. It's the incredible Nikon prime lens, and now finally standard iPhone SE. So now that you've seen the capabilities of the kit lens, you will be very much convinced to get accessory number 2, which is actually the prime lens. Okay, so one of the main benefits of having a DSLR over an iPhone is that you have a designated device for videos. I don't like using one device for 17,000 different tasks. I like having a device per task. If I'm shooting videos, I know I grab my DSLR and I go. So the first benefit of having a DSLR is better photo and video quality. As you've seen in the video segments earlier, there's a clear difference in image quality, and that's solely due to the sensor size built within the camera. Accessory number 3 often gets overlooked. It is in fact a tripod. I mean, you're investing so much of money into a camera, into a lens, into your lighting. You have to take care and protect your equipment. If you go with a cheaper tripod, it's going to be very unstable. It might even blow over with the wind. The last thing you want is a broken camera or broken lens. Invest in a decent tripod and you will have stable and secure footage. The other benefits, of course, into having a DSLR versus an iPhone or a mobile phone is, of course, you have that functionality to tweak and change video settings, things like your ISO or your aperture. To answer the initial question, should you get a DSLR to start your YouTube journey? The answer is no. Your smartphone is good enough. But if you want to level up your game and to get that incredibly sharp and cinematic look for your YouTube channel, then a DSLR is a must. I hope this video has been educational, and I hope that you've liked it and at least learned something. That's all from me, the Revenge's Hammer. Stay tuned, new videos coming soon.